Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a guide to managing appointments on Timely Booking for beginners. So first, go to gettimely.com and here, just sign up for an account or a free trial account. After you signed up, you will be directed here on the calendar. So I will show you how to add an appointment. Here as you can see, I am on this day. Then I will click on a time and then add appointment. Here as you can see, I can add details on my appointment. Who's gonna be here on my appointment, first name, last name, new customer, mobile phone, phone number, email, their service, then their work time or the duration. You can add another service. Next is the recurrence. You can click on non-daily, weekly, or monthly. For the address, you can input the address and then you can input a booking note. Click on save. That's it. Now, in order to add a busy time, click on the time again, then click on add busy time. Here you can have the duration, who's gonna be busy, and you can add a description. Simply save it again, and then that's it. Now let's go to our dashboard. Here, as you can see your sales, reductions, total. You have your production graph here, then your appointments, average value, client, new clients, retained, and rebooked. You can see your performance here on the last 7 days. Now on the customers. Here, simply you can see your customers. You can add a customer by clicking on this one, or this one. Now on reports. Here you can see a lot of reports. For business performance, financial reports, stock, appointments, clients, staff, and many more. Just explore this and you can see a lot of reports here. Now on messaging or messages. You can click on send messages, email marketing, and reminder messages. Here on send messages, you can send messages to your customers or your staffs. On email marketing, it is your email marketing, and reminder messages is a reminder on your customer. Next is the sales. Here we have view invoices. You can view your invoices or create invoice and search gift vouchers. Now on setup, you have here your business, stock, notification, promote, sales tools, consult, and administration. And that's it.